If your L or R buttons on the Nintendo Switch or Joy-Cons aren't working properly, then I may be able to help. Maybe they feel unresponsive, delayed, or don't register at all. This can be caused by software glitches, connection issues, or even dust buildup. Let me show you a few simple steps to fix it at home without any tools. So let's get started. Fix 1. Detach and reattach the Joy-Cons. Sometimes it's just a bad connection. Slide the Joy-Con off the console. Wait for a few seconds, then reattach it firmly until you hear the click. Try pressing the ZL or ZR button again, and it's responsive now. The issue was likely a loose connection. If not, then try the second method. Fix 2. Clean up the buttons. So for this method, we're going to check if your buttons are actually working or if they need a bit of repairing. So go to your Nintendo Switch homepage. Go to System Settings. Scroll all the way down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down a bit and find Test Input Devices. Tap on it or click on it. Select Test Controller buttons. Try to press your L button and the R button to see if it shows up on the Switch testing panel. If they do, then we can try a few things. And even if they don't show up on the screen, we can still try them to figure out a bad connection. You see, in many cases, dust or dirt gets built up inside the controllers, which can cause issues with the connection. So let's keep the Test Input Devices page open and get a toothbrush at hand and clean the grooves at the corner of your L and R button. If a toothbrush doesn't work, get a Q-tip or cotton bud. Press the Q-tip to make it as sharp as possible. Now try to slit it inside the grooves in the corner of your buttons to clean the area. You can also use a can of compressed air if it's available, or simply just blow some air to the buttons. In the meanwhile, keep pressing the button and see if it shows up on the test controller menu. If it still doesn't show up here or shows problems, then go back to the Controllers and Sensors panel again and scroll up to Calibrate Control Sticks. Even if the sticks work fine, go through the calibration steps and see if it improves responsiveness overall. Hopefully with this, your problem will get fixed, but if you still have some issues, then it's likely that your buttons are faulty. I think you'll need to take your Switch to a repair shop to fix it at this point. But in any case, if this video helps you out, then go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Nintendo and tech fixes like this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.